Hello guys, and welcome to my channel. Welcome. My name is Dineo Mokhetle, and this is a safe space for us to learn, grow, and become better quality individuals together. So in this video, I'm meeting up with my friend and sister Samki. We're going for a young lunch because we haven't seen each other in a while. And yeah, it was my birthday recently, so I'm gonna celebrate my birthday with my friends. I have celebrated with my family already, so now sorry, so now it's time for the girls, the girls. You know, when the girls are out and about, looking pretty, positive vibes, looking nice. Holy monadi. So guys, I will see you when we get to the place. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, guys. Can you go for 600 followers by the end of the year? And I know I'm not reaching, so I didn't come. Okay, guys, please subscribe. I'll appreciate it also. Nkaleboga kudu ka matla. Thank you, guys. And I think we're overdressed. It's a bit warm for dressing. Yeah, dressing super warm. Something is off. Conte off. Excuse. The lighting issue is supposed to be off, but it's fine. What is sometimes? Yeah, I should have ordered something. No, everyone is full of now, but the weather is changing. I know the got it was warm. How? It was warm. Let me actually check what's the temperature now. Otherwise, our food taking so long, you know? But also, pizza takes time. Yeah, pizza. And I think this is like the freshly oven. And 18 is not bad. No, not at all. But maybe this section is not 18. Go to restaurant and stuff. We went to Ayep actually. And Life Grand. It's nice.
Oh, Life Grand, we went there as well.
We went to La Parada, but Life Grand is in the same complex as La Parada.
So where they all are huddled together. Because I've been hearing the next
See, there are other ones there outside.
It's like the first time we're seeing a chicken.
I think in our content creator era, it's our first time.
Hi, make a sound, please.
Yay! Oh, Nama.
Do these sandwiches come with fries at least? Oh yeah, they do.
I'm off coke for the next long while. Like, really next long while.
But even me, I don't remember the last time I had it, hey?
I'm off coke, off
I also do, but it takes so much time for me.
Is it a video or gift?
Yeah, it's a video.
Dumelang bakgotsi ba
I don't have people,
Hey
bruh.
Betuna, Ninjani,
Yeah, you're probably talking about my family. Like my dad, my sis. Two people, literally.
Community.
Which one? You? I also do, but it takes so much time for me.
Is it a video or gift?
Yeah, it's a video.
Dumelang bakgotsi ba
I don't have people,
Hey
bruh.
Betuna, Ninjani,
Yeah, you're probably talking about my family. Like my dad, my sis. Two people, literally.
Community.
Which one? You? Do you tell her? This is the one that. Take it easy, calm down.
This is for the long
people are too fast. That's the problem.
Relax. This is for the long run. Ashem, go lovely, go nice.
Kitty.
All right. Thank you for visiting.
Hope to see you soon.
Are we coming back soon?
Yes, you are.
In the summer. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today we're going hiking with my sister. Come along with us. Remote Craddlemoon Lakeside Lodge. Our name Monati. Okay guys, welcome to our channel. Hi. We are more hiking over Craddlemoon. Guys, get a lemang mo.
Bestie in the
My best. Ano mo natin guys?
Ako ne mo natin.
Ari ketleng.
Sayo umoya.
Re boneng tlhago re mo tlhagong mo.
Something natural.
Re nyaka bona a lot of nothing. Hey?
Let's do something natural.
And fun as well. Re tla le bona on the flip side. And also Limpopo culture is trending and is
Yeah, like, and there's so many different cultures. You do one, we can literally do
another and another.
Oh man.
This is huge.
Yeah, this is Craddlemoon, guys.
This is crazy.
This is exactly what they mean about a Craddlemoon.
Aya sinaluva again. Arzen. Open na camera ka lona phone ya ka nyoko upgrade guys.